Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Narcissa Malfoy. She was known for her beautiful, silvery hair and her sparkling green eyes that twinkled like stars. Narcissa lived in a grand castle with her family, but she was not like other Malfoys. While her brothers loved mischief and pranks, Narcissa preferred the company of trees, birds, and flowers. One day, she found a tiny, injured bird in the castle garden. It was a rare and beautiful creature, with feathers as blue as the summer sky. Narcissa gently picked up the bird and brought it to her room. She tended to the bird, feeding it and keeping it warm. Day by day, the bird grew stronger, and its once broken wing healed. Narcissa named the bird Sky, for its beautiful blue feathers. As Sky grew stronger, Narcissa grew fonder of him. She would sit for hours in her room, watching Sky hop and flutter around. She loved the way he would sing a sweet melody every morning, making her feel happy and at peace. One day, Sky was fully healed. Narcissa knew it was time for him to go back to the wild. She felt a pang of sadness, but she knew it was for the best. On the day Sky was to fly away, Narcissa gathered some of her favorite flowers and placed them in a basket. She took Sky to the edge of the forest, where the trees met the sky. With a deep breath, Narcissa opened the basket. Sky looked at her with his bright, curious eyes. And then, with a flap of his wings, he took off into the sky, leaving a trail of blue feathers behind. Narcissa watched as Sky soared higher and higher, until he was just a tiny speck in the sky. She felt a tear trickle down her cheek, but she smiled. She knew that Sky would always remember her, and she would always remember him. From that day on, Narcissa was no longer just a Malfoy. She was Narcissa, the girl who loved a bird named Sky. And every morning, as the first rays of sunlight peeked over the horizon, she would hear Sky's sweet melody, a reminder of the bond they shared.